the beginning. See?
Okay, are you going to read it?
Mr. Grasshopper. What makes a rainbow? X. Hello, rabbit. Yeah. Green. Mr. Grasshopper. Cotton with her green wings. Bluebird, what makes a rainbow? Asked Hello, rabbit. Rain colors, Mommy. Boing, boing, boing.
Don't break the book.
I won't break the book. And now you say you turn the page.
You read that page to me.
No, I can't say I want to rip the rainbow.
Well, that's good.
Purple butter. Mr. Butterfly, what makes the rainbow? Hello, rabbit. Blue. This is purple, Mommy. Purple. And asked Mr. Butterfly, scratching her purple wings. Really purple to make a rainbow. Rain, colors, and sunshine!
Yay!